my dear students, let's start today's SS class. Students, as you know, we are doing block 2 living in a community, and we already know that many people work as cleaners and garbage collectors to keep our community clean. Today we will learn why we should respect their jobs. Now students, please open your content book of SS. Lesson number 4, respecting all jobs. Let's start reading. Mahatma Gandhi told people to respect all jobs, including those of a sweeper and a garbage collector. In earlier times, people who did cleaning jobs were treated as untouchables. पहले के टाइम में क्या होता था, जो क्लीनर्स होते थे, जो स्वीपर्स होते थे, उनको अनटचेबल माना जाता था. Many believed that if they touched these people, they would become impure. Gandhi did not support this view. He believed that any work that does not harm other. He believed that any work does not harm other should be given the same respect as other jobs. So उनका बिलीव था कि जो भी वर्क हो जो दूसरों को हार्म नहीं कर रहा है उसको इक्वल ही रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए उस जॉब को भी. This is known as dignity of labor. There is a small story that tells what Gandhi thought about cleaning jobs. So this is the story. You can see at the page. Gandhi Ashram. In Gandhi Ashram, everyone cleaned the toilet and swept the floors. Those who comes to his ashram clean the toilet after using it. जो भी उनके आश्रम में रहते थे वो खुद टॉयलेट को क्लीन कर रहे थे उसको यूज़ करने के बाद. In earlier times, toilets had no flushes. People had to carry their waste in baskets and throw it into a pit. Gandhi believed that everyone should clean their own waste. To spread this message, he went to many villages with his followers and cleaned the toilets himself. Students, I hope this lesson is clear to you all. Now students, here's a question depend on the story. What did Gandhi believe about cleaning jobs? Let's discuss the answers. Gandhi believed that jobs that do not harm others should be treated with respect. He did not believe that some jobs were clean and others were dirty. उनको बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं था कि कुछ जॉब्स क्लीन है लेकिन अदर जो दूसरी जॉब्स हैं वो डर्टी हैं. फ्रॉम अर्लियर टाइम्स पीपल वुड लुक डाउन ऑन क्लीनर्स एंड स्वीपर्स एंड कॉल दैम अनटचेबल्स. गांधी ट्राइड टू चेंज द व्यूज दैट पीपल हैड अबाउट क्लीनर्स एंड स्वीपर्स. आई होप द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, why should we respect the job of a sweeper and a cleaner? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Sweeper, cleaners and garbage collectors deserve the same respect as others. They work very hard and serve the community. बहुत hard work करते हैं ये लोग. They should not be treated unfairly because of the job they do. We should treat them with dignity. This is known as a dignity of labor. I hope it is clear to you all. Now it's time for now we will conclude the answer. So dignity of labor is respect all jobs and all work should be treated equally. Nobody should be looked down upon for their jobs. I hope you understand this chart. Now it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, how can we promote dignity of labor? हम लेबर की डिग्निटी को कैसे प्रोमोट कर सकते हैं? लेट्स डिस्कस. इफ़ वी सी समवन लुकिंग डाउन ऑन अ स्वीपर और अ क्लीनर, वी कैन टेल देम हाउ देयर जॉब इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. वी कैन मेक पोस्टर्स टू एजुकेट पीपल ऑन द डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर. आई होप द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ दिस इज योर कीवर्ड, dignity, to have respect. So what is the meaning of dignity? To have respect. You have to write this keyword. Now open your worksheet 2.4. First question, respecting all jobs. Name of the worksheet is respecting all jobs. First question is, Simi was playing in a park when she saw her teacher. She greeted her teacher, Simi also saw the cleaner cleaning the park. She ignored him. Was Simi's behavior towards the cleaner right? Why? क्या सिमी का बिहेवियर क्लीनर की साइड से अच्छा था, ठीक था वो बिहेवियर? Why? You have to write your answer. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi encouraged everyone in his ashram to clean the toilet after use. What was he trying to teach people through this? उन्होंने इसके द्वारा लोगों को क्या समझाया? You have to think and write your answer. Last question. Suggest one way in which you can make people aware of the dignity of labor. So you have to complete this worksheet. Now this is our homework practice question. You have to do these practice questions. Who according to you does a more important job, a gardener or a cleaner? Why? Question number 2. How should we treat people who clean the street? Why? जो लोग हमारी स्ट्रीट को क्लीन करते हैं हम उनको कैसे ट्रीट करना चाहिए एंड वाई. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. गांधी क्लीन हिज ओन टॉयलेट. ही ऑल्सो मेड पीपल who come to his ashram clean the toilet after use. What message was he trying to spread by doing so? So students, you have to do these practice questions. Thank you everyone for watching this video.